Welcome to 899 Wilson in the heart of Auburndale. This is a beautifully renovated home. It features 3 full bedrooms and 1 bath. It has a new roof, new HVAC, so new furnace and AC unit, and a lovely front porch that has all new decking. It has a lovely entryway with 9-foot ceilings, wide moldings throughout, along with all new flooring throughout. This beautiful dining room is spacious and perfect for entertaining family and friends. You also have a large living space, perfect for having friends over to watch the big game or to just spend a quiet evening reading. The kitchen has been beautifully redesigned with white shaker cabinets, this gorgeous granite, and a stainless undermounted sink. It features a new refrigerator, microwave, and a glass electric cooktop range. Right off the kitchen is this really spacious laundry room that you could also add additional shelving to. It will be the perfect pantry and laundry room for your new home. Let's go upstairs and check out the 3 bedrooms and bath. This home has 3 large bedrooms. We're currently in the owner's bedroom. It even has a lovely sitting area.
Ready.
This home has a lovely remodeled bath with luxury vinyl plank flooring, a beautifully tiled shower and bathtub combination, and a new vanity with a 1-piece sink top and a beautiful mirror. Now let's talk about the potential this home still has to offer. This home has a few spaces left to improve upon for the future, like the possibility to add a second full bath. There's a large closet that is accessible now that can be used as storage. It's in the main bathroom. There is a door and a smaller closet in front of it in the hallway. This can easily become another full bath. I am so excited to show you this fabulous space of this home. It's on the 3rd floor. This attic is ready for you to finish and use for whatever best suits your needs. All the rough framing is done along with the electric. All you need to do is drywall it and put in finished flooring. Thank you for joining us on the tour of this lovely home at 899 Wilson. We'd love to show you this beautiful home. It's currently listed for $199.9. Just call us anytime. We hope to see you soon.